In this tutorial, we're going to look at the use of some of the SOLIDWORKS drawing commands. We are going to use the whole callout tool and the section view command. We're also going to look at producing whole tables, detailed views, cropped and broken out section views. We will finish off by looking at exploded drawing views, balloon referencing and part lists. The whole callout tool allows for the information contained in the whole wizard database to be transferred into an engineering drawing. If we consider the 4 holes shown here, we can use the whole callout tool to dimension them. Select the annotation menu from the Assembly Manager and click on to whole callout. Select one of the holes, drag out the information and left click to place. If these holes are modified within the model, the whole callout information will update automatically. We can add an enlarged view of the fillet at the base of the boss using the detail view command. Draw a circle around the required area. Position the new view somewhere in the graphics area and select OK. If there are a lot of holes to dimension within the drawing, a whole table can be added. Click on the Annotation tab and select the arrow under the Table command. Select Whole Table and go through the options in the Whole Table Manager. Start off by selecting a template. Choose Whole Table, Sizes Combined, Numbers and Open. Next, choose appropriate datum or origin. And then the holes to dimension. Click on each one individually. And select OK. Place the table in the drawing. The table contains information about the position of the holes relative to the chosen origin and also the type of holes. Tag numbers within the whole table correspond to the hole labels on the front elevation. The choice of using a whole table is down to the individual draftsperson. Comparing this drawing with one conventionally dimensioned, there is little difference in drawing clarity. Where a drawing will benefit from the inclusion of a whole table is when there are multiple patterns of different types of hole. Another advantage of a whole table is in components manufacture. Mistakes are less likely to be made when hole positions can be clearly seen in a tabular form. Let's now move on to cropped and broken out section views. With the front elevation already placed in this drawing, project a view above it. Left click to place and select OK. Next, sketch a closed spline around the part of the shaft you wish to retain. Move back to the View Layout menu and with the spline highlighted, select Crop View. For the broken out or partial section view, spline command automatically invokes when selecting the command. Sketch a spline around the part of the shaft that requires sectioning. Enter the section depth and select OK. To finish off the view, turn off the hidden detail lines. And select OK. Let's now move on to exploded views. Start off by exploding the model assembly. Move to a drawing template and import the exploded model view into the drawing. Do a preview and left click to place the view. And then select OK. With the view highlighted, we can add balloon referencing. Click on the Annotation tab and select Auto Balloon. And click OK. The balloons can be dragged and placed in appropriate positions. Let's add a parts list to finish off the drawing. Click on the arrow below the table command and select Bill of Materials. Highlight the view and select OK. The item numbers in the parts list will correspond with the balloon referencing numbers.